If you like chess, this is for you. Check out all these cool parts we got here, and that turns into that. Well, actually, that's the first prototype. You'll see what this turns into. Let's run through the parts really quick. These are the end caps. They print in place, face down like that. And once you're done printing, they just kind of open up like that. They go on the ends here. These are also end caps that go on either end like this. And on the other side of these, you can see that's where you got your different colors. Now this, you need a dual color printer or something like the Bamboo Carbon X1 or an IDEX to do. But we're also working on a version where these will just clip in. So you can print them on something like an Ender 3. And these are the clips that lock it into place once it's folded like that. All right, we're getting there. These just kind of clip in like that. See, I just kind of have them over the holes right there. So they just go click, 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 click. Same on this side. They all just clip in. And then these are just going to slide over there and slide over there. Sometimes these can be just a little bit tough to clip in just because you can see kind of there's a little bit of stringing there. All you need is just like a tiny little file like this. And you can just file it there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. And then it should just clip in, no problem. And just like that, we're one step closer. They all clipped in nice. I had to file down one or two of them. But then when you flip it around, it kind of just looks like this. And it just folds up just like that. And you can put your pieces inside. We're going to put these end pieces on next. And I'll post another update video. So, classic learning moment here. I forgot my own instructions. I'm supposed to put these in before I put those in because now that doesn't clip in. But check this out. It's probably the best demonstration of this. Check this out. So these can actually take apart. So let's say one of them do break. They just clip right in like that. And there the hinge works. And then if you want to take it apart, you just take it apart like that. So I'm just going to do that. Take that end off and put those on. And just to kind of try and show you what I mean. See, I just popped that right out of there. And I'm just going to go like this. And should just be able to pop it right back in. There we go. Just need both hands. Should learn how to hold the phone in my mouth. All right, here we go. All done. We got the edges on here. And if we flip it over, look at the side, we got like a little pin and a little latch right here. We're going to replace those with magnets for the future ones because I really don't like these too much and it stops it from sitting flat up like this. Let me show you how that works. Once you got that all folded up, you can just kind of latch it like that and it just kind of holds it like that so it doesn't open. It's the Band-Aid for now, but yeah, we'll change that. Put like little magnets right in there. But yeah, that's it. So you just latch it open, and the idea is you'll have all of your pieces in here, and then you can kind of just go like that. And there you go. There's your chess set. You can print these in different colors. You can have these different ones. This has to be PETG. We found that if we printed it in PLA, then what happens is these little over here, they break off when you push them in. But there's a solution. You just use one of these. And then even if those break off, you can still push them through and just put tap, 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 tap all the way. And then you just leave it for like a day and they still works. Just a little bit extra work. All right, here we go. This is the finished product right here. Nice and closed. And you can see you can just open it like that. And there's all the pieces inside. Kept nice and safe in there. All right, and there you go. We got some Star Wars chess pieces right here. And some here. These are not ours. I just found them online and printed them. We also got like a bunch of others here that we're going to clean up and print. But yeah, that's it. You'll be able to find this design on our Patreon and also on our Cults page. Links in the description and in the profile.